Lindsay Lohan, once Hollywood golden girl, now a symbol of fame's highs and lows. From blockbuster success to legal troubles, public scrutiny, and personal battles, she's had to fight for a comeback. But what if her biggest battle is not with Hollywood, but with herself? Psychodrama is a powerful, action-based therapy could help Lindsay to bridge the gap between who she was, who she became, and what she wants to be. Let's explore 3 key psychodramatic techniques that could help her to rebuild confidence and trust in herself. Hi, I'm Anna Bobikova. This channel is all about using psychodrama and drama therapy in everyday life. For professional training, check out my other channel, Action Explorations. Role reversal in psychodrama allows to step in another perspective, sometimes even their own past self. For Lindsay, it means to become a little girl who started it all. Imagine Lindsay stepping into the role of 12-year-old self during the Parent Trap era. She plays young Lindsay, full of hope, ambition, and excitement for the future. Then, adult Lindsay steps back into her role and has a conversation with her younger self, answering her questions, listening to her dreams, and even apologizing for struggles she faced along the way. This exercise could have Lindsay reconnect with the pure passion that made her love acting in the first place. By seeing herself through the young Lindsay eyes, she might realize that despite of the setbacks, she is still worthy the success and happiness. It's not about going back. It's about moving forward with self-compassion. The special gift with our professional community, a unique library of over than 70 free videos covering both the didactic and practical part of psychodrama and drama therapy. These materials can even count toward training hours for professional psychodrama certification. The empty chair. In this exercise, the person speaks to an empty chair, as if they would be talking to someone or something that has impacted their life. For Lindsay, the chair could represent the media, public opinion, or even Hollywood itself. Lindsay sits across the empty chair that represents the public. She speaks to it as if she's addressing every headline, judgment, every expectation placed on her. She tells them how it felt to be treated as a scandal instead of person. Then she switches roles, becoming the public, and responds to herself, experiencing how the world saw her struggles. Through this back and forth, she finds her own truth. This technique could help Lindsay to take control over her story. Instead of being trapped by the way the world sees her, she can rewrite her narrative, choosing which parts of her past to own and which to let go of. It's about finding her voice, not for the cameras, but for herself. Future projection in our minds. Future projection allows someone to step into a vision of their best possible future and experience what it feels like in a real time. It's not just imagining success, it's embodying it. Lindsay steps into the future version of herself. 5 years from now, she's thriving, respected, and in full control over her career and personal life. From that role, she gives a message to her present-day self. Here is what I did to get here. Here is I want you to know. Keep going. By embodying the version of herself that was already succeeded, Lindsay can break free from self-doubts and take the actions that align with her comeback she wants, not the one that media expects. This exercise doesn't just give her a vision, it gives her a roadmap. Lindsay Lohan has been underestimated, misjudged, and written off by Hollywood before. But maybe the key of her comeback isn't proving herself to the world, it's proving to herself that she still got it. And if she can trust herself again, Hollywood will follow. What do you think? Could psychodrama help Lindsay Lohan to heal? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
In this spotlight, thoughts unfold. Mind's a stage where stories told. Role reversal, masks and mime. Healing wounds beneath the grime. Psycho playtime, scripts in